Hi friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 28. Make sure you have your name on your paper and let's get started. Word number 1, rink. We went to the ice skating rink in the winter. Rink. Number 2, west. When you get to the highway, you will go west. West. Number 3, junk. Do not keep a bunch of junk in your desks. Junk. Number 4, think. You should always think before you speak. Think. Number 5, mask. The clown wore a scary mask. Mask. Number 6, swing. At recess, we decided to swing. Swing. Number 7, stump. Our neighbor cut down a tree. All that's left is the stump. Stump. Number 8, ramp. We built a ramp to jump our bikes off of. Ramp. Number 9, wrong. If you use capital letters on any of these words, they will be counted wrong. Wrong. Number 10, most. Most of you will get all of these words right. Most. Okay, now I'm going to read to you your 3 dictation sentences. Please make sure you write all of the words from the sentence. You can rewind and listen to the sentence as many times as you need to. Okay? Sentence number 1. The car went on the wrong ramp. Sentence 2. I think most of the junk is trash. Sentence 3. We can swing at the rink. Okay, friends, that completes your spelling test for Unit 28. Make sure your name is on your paper.